Good morning. I got all my stuff together, my free dive fins, mask, snorkel and ready, helmet, safety first bro, and I will drive straight to the free dive shop now. I'm so excited, so keen. Let's go. I'm at the dive shop now. Oh my god, I'm so super excited. And now, wrap after diving. I'm back in the hostel now, and the first day of the free dive course was so good, but I'm pretty exhausted now. What we did today, first of all, in the morning we did like introductions, then we did some theory stuff because we had to learn something in advance, and we did a small review about that. And after the theory stuff we did some brief exercises like how you hold your breath and relaxing. It's a little bit of meditation and yoga. It's pretty cool to learn everything like that because yeah, you can improve your free dive skills, and especially for me because back home in Exmouth I free dive heaps, but just for fun without any knowledge, and now to know a little bit more about it, yeah, helps me so much. Anyways, after the brief holding relaxing stuff, we went to the pool, make some static. Static means you put your head into the water and hold your breath, and they count the time. My best time today was 2 minutes and 11 seconds. And after the pool we went straight to the ocean, and I could film a little bit from the boat with my GoPro, but as soon we jumped in the water, we did some exercises and some skills, and that's the reason I couldn't film that. But for tomorrow, the second day, our free dive instructor will take the GoPro. He told me he wanna do some videos from us how we dive there. And after the skills in the open water, we did a snorkel. That's where the footage are from, and my videos from the snorkel. That was pretty cool, my first reef in Indonesia, and yeah, it was beautiful, and the visibility was so good, like 30 meter plus, just insane. And that's it for today, I guess. Then we see us tomorrow in the morning. Good evening. Okay, that was a weird start. Alrighty guys, I'm back from a second day and today was so good again. And I can't believe it guys. I made it to 21 meters today. Just with one brief. Just insane. It's pretty late now. It's like 6:30. But yeah, I chilled a little bit at the dive shop after and had a chat with my instructor. And today was pretty nice. Today in the morning we start with a little bit dynamic. That means we had to swim 30 meters underwater. After that we went out into the blue where I get all this footage. It's like I'm frothing already. Look at them and it's so nice to see it. And for tonight I just go for dinner, then I go straight in my bed because tomorrow is the third day, my last day, and tomorrow we will do some scratchies. And then we get the open water number 3 with some rescue skills in the open water, in the open water. Yeah, right there. And yeah, then I'm a certified freediver. Yeah, I'm still frothing. It's such a nice course. I love it. See you tomorrow on day 3. Good morning, guys. Day number 3 is on. And before we go diving, we need brekkie. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. I'm a freediver level 1 and I'm done. I'm certified now. It was so much fun. I did it with Freedive NUSA in NUSA PENIDA, Indonesia. Such an epic company and I'm so glad that I did it. I learned so much about myself and how to use the gear right. With everything like how's the finning, hold your breath, where you put your weight bolt, how many weights you need, etc, etc. It was just so epic. The whole course, I just can recommend it. When you love to be in the ocean, when you love diving, do it because you learn so much about yourself and everything. And for me as well, I've been in the ocean like the last year, literally every day, but I did so many mistakes. And now, yeah, I just train a little bit more and I made it to 21 meters with one brief. It's... can't believe it. And I hope the footage are very, very nice. I do nothing tonight. Hey. Can you please... off? Yeah. Bro! And for tonight, I just jump in the pool and then I will edit the videos. I'm so stoked. I wanna see these videos from the dive. I'm so excited. And yeah, I'm just happy. The course was so good. So good. The videos I do now on YouTube and stuff like that, it's the best memories for me. When I watch the videos maybe in a few months or next year, it's just like epic. These days have been sick. And I will end this video for now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, just get a sneaky like. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and dude, go in the water, breathe in and dive down. Okay, I talk so many shit, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I have so nice plans for tomorrow, but you will see that in the next video. Have a wonderful hour, guys. I already miss you all.